Hello guys, today we're gonna see how we can add a frame to an image. Just first select the image and go to effects, creative, and then click frame. Here you can select different types of frames. You can scroll down and check each one. So there are really a different lot of options. You can select whichever you like. So for this tutorial I'm going to select the first one. So this one. So here we can change the color, transparency, and the width and length of the frame. I'm going to change the color to white so that it may have a transparency look. Here I'm going to increase the horizontal and vertical width so that it can fit the image. Here you can change the opacity. I'm going to keep it at 100. To give it a transparency look. So now we have added a frame to an image which looks nicer. Thanks.